Welcome to the latest edition of the Fort Bend County Commissioners Court Recap, brought to you by the County Judge's Office and Judge K.P. George. Held at the historic courthouse in Richmond, Texas, on May 28, 2024, Tuesday's meeting addressed pivotal community matters. The court commenced with Schneider Electric presenting the Fort Bend County Commissioners Court with the Energy Efficiency Award, recognizing over $2 million saved by the county since 2017. The court also honored a remarkable life-saving event that took place during the funeral of Senior Corporal Derrick Day on April 5, 2024. When the hearse driver suffered a stroke, Fort Bend County Constables Precinct 2 Assistant Chief Vincent Villalobos, Deputy John Tran, Fort Bend County Health and Human Services Celerial Braley Tardy, and Fort Bend County EMS Battalion Chief John Denning sprang into action. Their extraordinary bravery and quick thinking helped resuscitate the driver. The court recognized and honored these outstanding individuals for their life-saving efforts. Next, the court approved and accepted several grants. Clinical Health received awards from the Texas Department of State Health Services for tuberculosis prevention, totaling $286,041, with a cash match required by Fort Bend County. The Constable Precinct 1 was granted $5,985 from the Texas Department of Transportation for the Selective Traffic Enforcement Program, Operation Slowdown. The Sheriff's Office was awarded $1,125,426 from the Executive Office of the President for the High Intensity Drug Trafficking Area Program, with no cash match required. Under Item 22 from Commissioner Precinct 2, the court took all appropriate action to appoint Matt Cyrus, Shelby Armstrong, Richard Brewer, Brian Statsky, and Russell Stratman to the Fort Bend County Emergency Services District No. 10 Board of Commissioners, with their term effective through January 1, 2025. Additionally, the court received and approved the quarterly county investment reports from Meter Public Funds for the second quarter of fiscal year 2024. In community development, the court approved using $2,777,000 plus accrued interest in Community Development Block Grant Program funds to prepay the Section 108 loan guarantee for the Arcola Water Treatment Plant. The court took significant steps in economic development by approving tax abatement agreements for solar farms located within Precinct 2. In facilities management, the court authorized the use of certificates of obligation to fund the remaining design amount for the mosquito control facility, not to exceed $108,000. In library services, a Memorandum of Understanding was approved between Fort Bend County and Texas Legal Services Center for a virtual court kiosk at the Willie Melton Law Library, and an addendum to the Memorandum of Understanding with the Literacy Council of Fort Bend County for adult education tutoring services. Purchasing items included an agreement for professional engineering services with AKV Consultants, LLC, for the Sidewalk Safety Program. The court approved a request to negotiate broadband expansion with Comcast Holdings to begin infrastructure work this year. The court also conducted workshops to receive updates from information technology on completing the 2024 Cybersecurity Awareness Training for all county employees and from the Historical Commission on the 2023 Annual Report to the Texas Historical Commission. This concludes your Commissioners Court update for this week. Commissioners Court is scheduled to meet bi-weekly. The next court will be held on June 11, 2024, at 1 p.m. on the second floor of the historic Fort Bend County Courthouse in Richmond, Texas. Stay tuned for more updates on the Fort Bend County Commissioners Court as we strive to build a stronger, safer, and more vibrant community together.